Now, about 11 months back, I took charge as the governor of Goa, and thereafter, during the last 10 months, I'm that village darshan program is going on. And I have covered about 150 villages now, and the temples, churches, and other places also I am visiting. So, in a way, uh, my visits, my experience is that the Goan villages are more beautiful than any other place of the good people are good at heart, and possibility of development is there. And throughout the world, Goa is known as a hub of tourism. But I would like to say spiritual tourism, ample scope is there, and commitment to nature also. That trend is spreading throughout the world now. In that way, village tourism is also a thing which is very giving us very scope for Goa. And I will after this travel, I will write. Now I completed two taluks as a whole, Ponda and Kanakona, and I am writing book on in English and other things by Rajbhavan and government. They are going to publish on that. So many things are there. Spiritual tourism, I would like to say, in India, Brahma temple you can't see anywhere except in one place in Rajasthan. Then, then regarding one important thing, I want to highlight throughout India that Sanatana Dharma is concerned, casteism, untouchability. Now we declare it as a crime. Gandhiji also devoted his life for fighting against that. But I had occasion to witness an exception to this concept, old concept. Old, of course, that is a untouchability. In fact, adversely affected the Sanatana Dharma concept. But I had occasion to in Konkani, the temple, Mallikarjun temple, wherein 9 months the entire puja in the before the main deity, touching the deity, done by priests from original priests from Brahmin community. But at the same time, remaining 3 months, that same puja, same thing is being done by our lower, the so-called, I am not saying lower kata, that Adivasi people. That from time immemorial, the concept of this untouchability is created by somebody else later, and our original thinking is that before the Almighty, that in the temple, everybody is equal, and that is why the Brahmin priests as well as this Adivasi priests work together uh, cordially, heart to heart relationship is there, and they are conducting together. This is an exceptional thing I had seen in my occasion, and I want to highlight it through my book. I am thinking like that. And here also a Mula temple. Mula temple, I don't want to go to any of the controversies or anything, but very beautifully they are maintaining. I am congratulating uh, this committee, trust, or the office bearers of the trust. I am congratulating them. And these types of things would definitely attract the tourists, and focus on that also is the need of the hour. And as a governor, I already told the chief minister about it. And these types of tourism, spiritual tourism, I mean not only confined to Hindu temples alone, but other communities also, there are important places. So in a way, we are going to open and way for the real tourism. Of course, present tourism is, I am satisfied with that. People from all over the world are attracted to that. Along with the same, village visits, village tourism, spiritual tourism, and Goa is a special gift of God to the human beings, and I will project it.